How to transfer USDT from exchanger to Web3 wallet in Binance. So let me show you how to do it. After you open up your Binance app like this, now go to this asset at the bottom, go to wallets at the top. After you open wallet like this, now tap this at the bottom again. So after you open up this asset like this, now tap on this receive button. So from this receive, now tap on this withdraw from exchanger. So here it will show you all your balance from your exchanger. As you can see now, here are all the assets that I'm holding currently on my Binance exchanger. So now go and select the USDT. So select this network, Binance Smart Chain Network, and tap on this continue button. So from this option, all you have to do now, go and specify the amount that you want to withdraw. So just type in the amount that you want to withdraw in this option. So the minimum amount you can withdraw is $10. So let's say I will put in $20. After you put in 20 USDT like this, now if I tap on this withdraw button, now the USDT will be sent into my Binance wallet. And that's it, guys.